Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Lab. My name is Joe, and I am very happy you are here today. How are you doing? I hope you are having a calm and peaceful day. Today, we are going to practice English together in a slow and relaxing way. This episode is perfect for beginners and intermediate English learners. So, if you want to improve your listening, speaking, pronunciation, vocabulary, and confidence, then you are in the right place. Please relax, take a deep breath, and enjoy this slow English practice. Part 1. Morning Routine. Every morning I wake up at 6:30. I usually stay in bed for a few minutes. Then I get up slowly and open the window. I like to feel the fresh morning air. After that, I go to the bathroom and wash my face. Then I brush my teeth. I take a shower and get dressed. I usually wear comfortable clothes at home. Next, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. My breakfast is simple. Sometimes I eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I eat oatmeal and fruit. And of course, I always drink tea or coffee. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. I enjoy quiet mornings. I like calm music and peaceful moments before work. After breakfast, I check my phone and read messages. Then, I prepare for my day. Part 2. Going to work. I work online as an English teacher. I enjoy teaching English very much. Every day, I meet students from different countries. Some students are beginners. Some students speak English very well. Teaching makes me happy because I can help people improve their lives. Usually I start work at 9 o'clock in the morning. Before class, I prepare my lessons carefully. I check my computer, microphone, and internet connection. Then I open my teaching materials. When class starts, I greet my students warmly. I always say, "Hello, how are you today?" Good communication is very important in learning English. I tell my students not to be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes help us learn. Part 3. At a coffee shop. Sometimes after work, I go to a coffee shop. I enjoy sitting near the window and watching people outside. The coffee shop is usually quiet and comfortable. I often order a cappuccino or hot chocolate. Sometimes I bring my laptop. Sometimes I bring a book. I like reading simple English books. Reading helps improve vocabulary and grammar. One afternoon, I met an old friend at a coffee shop. His name was Daniel. We had not seen each other for many years. He smiled and said, "Joe, is that really you?" I laughed and said, "Yes, it's me." We talked for almost 2 hours. We spoke about work, family, travel, and life. It was a very nice conversation. Good friends are important. Spending time with people we care about makes life better. Part 4. Learning English. Many people think English is difficult, but English becomes easier with daily practice. You do not need to study for many hours every day. Even 15 or 20 minutes of practice can help a lot. The most important thing is consistency. Practice a little every day. Listen to English often. Repeat sentences aloud. Speak slowly and clearly. And do not compare yourself to other learners. Everyone learns at a different speed. Some people learn quickly. Some people learn slowly. That is completely okay. The important thing is to continue. Never stop learning. At Everyday English Lab, we believe learning English should feel calm, simple, and enjoyable. Learning a language is like building a house. You build it step by step, word by word, sentence by sentence, day by day. Part 5. Evening Relaxation. After a long day, I like to relax in the evening. Sometimes I watch movies. Sometimes I listen to music. And sometimes I go for a walk outside. Evening walks help me clear my mind. I enjoy cool air and quiet streets. At night, I usually eat dinner around 8 o'clock. I prefer light meals at night. After dinner, I sometimes read English articles or watch educational videos. Before bed, I try not to use my phone too much. Too much screen time is not good before sleeping. I usually sleep at around 11 p.m. Good sleep is very important for health and energy. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope this episode helped you relax and improve your English listening skills. Remember, do not rush. Learn slowly, practice every day, and enjoy the process. This is Joe from Everyday English Lab. Take care of yourself, keep practicing English, and I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.